Hello everybody, my name is Chelsea and I'm here with Clearview Library District. Hello, welcome back. I hope that your summer is going really great. This is our next edition of Family Cooking Challenge. I just want to say a great big thank you to all of you who joined us over the summer, over the new platform and the new program, and it went really great, and thank you so much. So welcome back. This is Family Cooking Challenge. So the premise of this program is we give you a challenge, which is to add something fun, new, different, but still edible to an old classic. So we're doing kits this time around, and for those of you who have registered, you know how to pick up your kits. If not, please get a hold of me and I will tell you how to do that. But included in your kit this time, we gave you a cake mix and a frosting and some food coloring. So what we are challenging you to do as a family is to get into the kitchen and cook up some yummy, yummy, yummy cupcakes. Okay, so baking, it's fun. Get in there, have a great time, add whatever ingredients, new, different, exciting. Once you have them made, please snap a picture of it and send us your submissions because we are going to pick winners, okay? So today is Friday, September 4th. We need all of your submissions in within 2 weeks. So that's going to be Friday, September 18th, okay? Snap a picture, send it to me, Chelsey, at clearviewlibrary.org. And once we have all the submissions in, I am going to pick the most fun, creative, exciting submission, okay? So all of the winners over the next few months are going to win anything from aprons to cookbooks to recipe books to cooking spoons and spatulas and all of that fun stuff that's going to just keep you in the kitchen cooking as a family over the next several years. So I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. Take your time, have fun with it. That's what this is about. Can't wait to see. And I'm excited to get to the next one. So we're going to do one over the next few months. And we will see you soon. Thank you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.